multiple jobs that the Model 482 three-wheel belt grinder can do. Utilizing a 48-inch belt that can go up to 2 inches wide, this is an ideal machine for contact wheel, work rest grinding, and slack contour belt grinding. Like all BURR King grinders, the 482 offers variable speeds and a patented positive belt tracking system. This rugged machine is designed with large throat clearance for enhanced work point access. The Model 482 also accepts internal grinding attachments, as well as nylon, buffing, wire, and fiber wheels.